Hello everyone, this is Abdullah Sawarha. In this video, we will learn how to provide custom knowledge to an agent instead of allowing it to rely on public internet resources. For today's demo, we will build an HR assistant agent that can answer employee questions about company policies. Instead of employees raising tickets or contacting HR directly, the agent can instantly provide answers based on organization's internal policies. As you can see, I already prepared a document called Employee Information Policy. This document contains sample company information, such as leave policies, health insurance, parental leave, employee benefits, and other HR-related topics. This document will act as knowledge source for the agent. Now let's move to the agent builder. I'm using one of the built-in template called My Company Policy Agent. Like any other agent, you can customize the icon, the name, and the instructions. However, in this lesson, we will focus specifically on the knowledge section. Note that the Search All Websites option is disabled in this template. Why? Because this agent is designed to use only your organization internal information, not public web content. This is very important for the scenarios where accuracy, privacy, and compliance matter. So how do we provide the knowledge to the agent? We have several options. First, you can provide a URL. For example, if your company store policies in a SharePoint website, an internal wiki, or a knowledge portal, you can connect the agent directly to those resources. Microsoft also recommends using SharePoint knowledge or as a knowledge source because it works very well with these templates. The second option is upload files directly from your device. You can also use cloud storage services if your files are stored online. For this demo, I will upload my employee information policy document. We can see the agent is preparing the document. Once uploaded, the file becomes part of the agent knowledge base. Another important setting is only use specified sources. When this option is enabled, the agent will respond only using the approved documents and resources you provided. It will not generate answers from external or unknown sources. This is an excellent option when accuracy is critical, especially for HR, legal compliance, or internal company information. As we can see, the policy document is ready and connected to the agent. We also have suggested prompts that users can select to quickly ask questions or common questions. I personally find these prompts very useful, so I will keep them enabled. And finally, we can either test the agent immediately or click Create to publish it. I think we are okay to create the agent right now, so I will hit Create. By the way, from here, you can click on Share. You can share it for anyone or share it with a specific user inside your company or organization, or you just keep it for yourself. And you can see, copy this link. I can just copy this one and I can share it, for example, with my colleague. And as we can see, my company policy agent is ready. So you can test it through using the ready to use prompts. However, I will check something. Let me ask the agent about, for example, the casual leave. So I will copy this and I can ask directly how many days for schedule leave. And as we can see, my company policy agent provides the exact information from the source, from the employee information policy document, and provide the information that we have 3 days as mentioned in the HR document. So there is no guessing, no hallucination. In the next lesson, we will explore the agent capabilities and see how employees can interact with it in real world scenarios. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.